Hey everybody, I'm Evan, and this is turning my popcorn ceiling into an acoustic masterpiece. Let's do this. So the original version was about 20 minutes long. You can still watch that on my YouTube video. This is all the wood, bringing it into the garage. Now I'm marking out my joists for my furring strips. So when I'm putting up my boards, they're even and they're going right into my joists. So then I don't have to worry about them falling out if they're right into the ceiling, into the sheetrock. I would not want to guess how much this would have costed to have a professional company come in and do it. I did a lot of research myself. I figured putting up the black fabric not only traps the sound, but it also helps for spacing out my boards on the ceiling. And then I didn't have to paint my ceiling, didn't have to scrape it, didn't have to do any of that stuff. So I really think this was the way to go. I was really happy with how it turned out. As you see, I updated my lighting too. I have a projector down there, so I didn't want one of those boob lights coming down and the projector hitting that. So yes, I stained these all myself. I sanded them twice, once at 80, once at 220. And I stained them with a dark walnut stain. And then I cut them. It's a 12-foot room, a little bit under. So I got 12-foot boards and then cut them down to 11 feet, 10 inches. And then making some room for the vent. And I space them with a piece of spare wood, paint the vent. And then I start routing and cutting my own quarter round for the top too. So I saved a lot of money using my leftover wood for my quarter round. Then I didn't have to pay for that either. And this all cost me about $2.50 a square foot finished. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.
A bumblebee can visit 1,000 flowers an hour. Pollen gets stuck all over them. So, as they go about their work, they help transfer it from flower to flower, making sure they'll bloom next year too. But now there are so many flowers to visit. The pollination patrol needs a night shift.